In this video, I am going to show you how to combine product listings and variants in Shopify. Let's get started. First, install the Combined Listings and Variant app from the Shopify App Store and open it from your Apps section. Inside the dashboard, click Create Group. Next, set up the parent product by creating the group name. Now configure the option name and choose how you're going to display it. Add the separate products you want to group, like different color versions of the same item. You can set the values to the name of the colors as well as edit the swatch. Once published, those individual products will now act as variants under one listing. Finally, visit the parent product page and test everything. Make sure variants switch correctly, prices update, and adding to cart works as expected. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.